Hi, dear students. In the previous class, we were discussing that now elephant and man both were discussing about the hut is whom to belong and whom not to belong. In the forest, they were discussing that. So it is, you just imagine that it was the comparing in the 18th century and the 19th century. During 19th century, in Africa, these European, whenever they were there, they were discussing, means they wanted to grab and occupy the place of entire Africa. So they were made a friendship with the people, and ultimately they were grabbed the places. Now the elephant is doing the same. The elephant has made a friendship with a man by asking the help and so and so. So now the man is asking their places, means there are places which has been occupied by the man, which has been occupied by the elephant. So it is going on. Now the discussion, when the discussion was going on, in between the lion comes. The lion was coming by roaring, and it was asking that what is the disturbance is going on? How dare you to disturb my majesty? So it was asking to the elephant. Now elephant says, what does the elephant says, and what did the elephant say? The lion, who wanted to have a peace and a tranquility in his kingdom, replied in a noble voice saying, I command my ministers to appoint a commission of inquiry to go thoroughly into this matter and report accordingly. So very simple, dear children. Here the man was, when the man and the elephant, they both were discussing about the hut. The lion had come over there, and the lion was asking, how dare you to disturb me? And actually the lion wanted peace and tranquility. Lion wanted peace and tranquility. See, I tell you how you know. See here, the Jomo Kenyatta was written a fable. Fable in the sense, it's a fiction, it's a story. In the story, the gentleman of the jungle, gentleman in the sense, he is a man. He is just a man, common man. Jungle in the sense Africa, where these people are living. And here, these in this chapter, animals called European, when they reach to the jungle, means Africa, they reach to Africa, they made a friendship, and gradually, slowly they grabbed some places by doing a friendship. And when the people came out, means thrown out, and now the discussion is going on. Lion came to there, means animal, means who is called a European. Now he has come there, and he is telling that we make a commission to discuss about this, whom it is to belong, whom not to belong. Hut in the sense, actually the man was living in the hut, but hut here in the sense, the African people who are living there in their own lands. When these Europeans had come over there to occupy everything, so it is this thing. So colonialism, the thing was going on. Colonialism in the sense in the Kannada, Wasahatu in the sense, their marketing is to be started. Their marketing, see, those during 18th and 19th century, the people of the Europeans and the Britain people, they wanted to share, and they wanted to expand their kingdom and imperialism in all over the world. So they were searching the places. The same here, the European also one of the places, they went to Africa, and they made a friendship with the people, and they were now expanding their kingdom by making us friendship. See, as the same thing happened in our India also in 1756 or 57, it seems, the Calicut War. Later on, they started the first their industries on the bank of Hooghly River. The way it was the starting here, means it is completely acquiring, grabbing the people, grabbing their lands by the ruling. So here, the lion is telling that we made a commission. How does he make a commission? You think of it, my dear children. It is very simple. Actually, these animals in the sense, the European people are presently in the place of those people who are living in the Africa, and they went to Africa, and they are telling to African people that we will discuss about the place to whom it is belong, whom not to belong. Actually, it is the thing was done by Africans, because those lands were belonging to these African people. Actually, they were living since many of the years. Their ancestors, their old people were lived there, and now these Europeans have come to acquire the place because of the resource and because of their economic purpose, and because of the marketing. So these animal Europeans, I mean animals in the sense Europeans, now they are dominating those people, exploiting those people because of their backwardness. They are not good in education. One of the person, Rajaram Mohan Rai, says, education is the key of knowledge. When we have knowledge, anything else in our world, we can do anything else. Anything that is acceptable with the society. So here, these Europeans have taken advantage of those African people that they are literally very backward in education. Now they are saying that we will make a commission to discuss about this, whom it is to belong, whom it is not to belong. And those African people has to accept, because African people have to accept because they don't have much power. Now let us see what happens. They made an inquiry. He then turned to the man and said, "You have done well by establishing friendship with my people, especially with the elephant, who is one of my honorable ministers of the state." The king is saying, you are a good man and you have done a great job and you made a friendship with a man who is a great minister in our India, in our state, means the state in the sense of the Europeans who were their commission, right? In the commission, the elephant was also a superior minister. So when he had made a friendship with the man, and the man also made a friendship with the elephant, so he says that it's a good thing and very acceptable, honorable thing. See, it is how it shows, no? Actually, when the Europeans were reached in many of the places, no, there were no friends, there were no anything else, but they wanted to make a friendship, close relationship with the people. So, in the beginning, they started making a friendship with the people, poor people, illiterate people. By doing that, they started their marketing. See, in our India also, not only in India, in many of the world, it was the thing happened by the Europeans. Now this lion was saying that you made a great thing, that you made a friendship with our own people, who is a ministry, the very good ministry in our state. Now do not grumble anymore. Your hurt is not lost to you. Wait until the sitting of my imperial commission, and there you will be given a plenty of opportunity to state your case. So don't grumble in the sense, don't whisper, don't talk anything else, you just keep quiet. See, that hurt is not lost to you. Means, see, it is. He says that hurt is not lost to you. How exploiting, how dominating, oppression of the people who doesn't know anything, who is in a backward. These Europeans had, as I told you already, had come to Africa, and in their place they are saying that you have not lost your hurt, you will be given, and we will give you opportunity to speak about your land. Who the hell are they? Maklai, it is very simple that the Africans were grabbed the freedom of those people. These Europeans have grabbed and snatched the freedom of those Africans, and now they are saying that we will tell you, don't worry. We will tell you, tell you, and we would give a chance to you to get your hurt by asking, by talking, by defending yourself. It is the thing was going on in that, and he says, I am sure that you will be pleased with the finding of the commissions. And so Lion said, no, we meet Lion in the sense he is also one of the great ministry of these European people. As I told you here, Makra, animals in the sense Europeans had a lot of ministries. As we all studied in the history, there are many of the people who were rolling all over the world, especially here also. Lion was in the sense he is the king. He says to a poor people, the poor man of the Africa, you did not lose anything, you have a choice, and we give you opportunity to speak you. You don't worry and you don't bother about that, and you will be pleased by our commission. So it is a cheating. They are called like as a traitors. They are making a plans to do everything nonsense, which is not required for the people of Africa. They are losing everything. So once a day, now the Lion was saying, means pleasing, he was saying that you did not lose your place as everything, we will give you. You did not lose everything, you will give you, you just keep quiet and you will be pleased by our commissions, he was saying. Then man was pleased by these sweet words from the king of the jungle and innocently waited for his opportunity in the belief that naturally the hut would be returned to him. Of course, actually, why did he keep quiet? Do you know why? Because the poor man, the man did not have a power, money, anything else. Now, as I told you, Makle, in a society, present also, not only in 19th and 18th century, present now also, if the person want to get justice or anything else, he has to have a power and also he has to have money, lot of money in his pocket. So the same, the man, he did not say anything, he kept quiet because he doesn't have power, and ultimately when these rich people, these Europeans, these ministries, when they were telling him very sweetly, he had to accept it because they are telling him sweet words. If they become angry, the man could not do anything else. Because he is a poor, he doesn't have power. So it is a thing was going on, so he kept quiet by listening their sweet words. So he kept quiet. So these are all the things, the mainly picture of this word, colonialism. And he says that our imperial means samrajya, namma samrajya, imperial means samrajya shahitva anteli, namma samrajyalli ಒಂದು ಕಮಿಷನ್ಗಳು ನಿನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿನ್ನ ಭೂಮಿನ ನಿನಗೆ ಆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಗುಡಿಸಲನ್ನು ನಿನಗೆ ಸೇರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. We will do it, you need not to worry about that. We would do it. So hence he said, so these are all the things the writer Jomo Kenyatta make it as a fable. So why did he write? Because Jomo Kenyatta also was the person who had been exploited by these Europeans once upon a time. Kenya also a place, a state of Africa, Negro people also were living over there. So these are things, he made a fiction. So he wrote it. So now come to here, the man, the gentleman has to accept whatever the European people says now. He accepted it. Now, the elephant obeying the command of his master got busy with other ministers to appoint the commissions of inquiry. The following elders of the jungle were appointed to sit in the commissions. Now what happened, you just see, actually the Europeans had come to the Africa, that is belong to them itself, to give him his own place. They are making a commission and they are supposed to discuss about that, whom it is to belong, whom not to belong. As I told you in the first video, Makle, hut was requesting, the elephant was requesting. Elephant was requesting that it was a torrential, means a terrible rain broke out, so I could not stand out. Please give me a place, my dear friend. When the elephant was requesting, the man was supposed to accept it. So he accepted, he gave a chance to put his trunk itself. But unknowingly, unfortunately, what did the elephant do? The elephant pushed slowly, gradually his entire head. There was no much place, so the man had come out. Man was asking and requesting that I could not tolerate because of this rain. This was a hailstorm was going. Hail was it storm in the sense. Alikal male. Alikalina male. So it was going on. I could not sustain, tolerate. Please, your skin is harder, but my skin is not much hard, so please come out. So he did not listen to him. So ultimately, when the discussion was going on, the lion had come in between. So whatever these other things happened, now the commission was going on. So where is the justice? So where is the justice? We should think of it, alva. Now listen, the elephant is making, and he's got busy with making commissions. Those are Mr. Rhinoceros, Mr. Buffalo, Mr. Alligator, the respected Honorable Mr. Fox to act as a chairman, and Mr. Leopard to act as secretary to the commission. Listen, how the elephant has made a commission means here whichever the animal has been mentioned, when animals have been mentioned the names, those animals were very much indicates that very powerful. Rhinoceros, buffalo, alligator, fox and leopard. See, rhinoceros in the sense it has a horn on the face, it means that it has a lot of power. And buffalo also it has a lot of power. And alligator in the sense crocodile which lives in the water, it also has a lot of power. Fox, as usual, you know that it is the most favorite for cunning. Cunning means mosa madadu. It is very much familiar with the cunning. And also leopard. Leopard is a very fastest animal which can run in everything, so everywhere. So it shows the ministry how the Europeans had their group of ministers. Means all the people of those Europeans had the lot of power. So by that they can hold and grab everything whichever required to them. So it does the thing. Now the leopard is a secretary and fox is a chairman. Now let us see. On seeing the personnel, the man protested and asked if it was not necessary to include in this commission a member from his side. And he says when this commission was made up by the elephant, the man was pleased and he asked that, Ayo, what is the commission in your own, in any of your commission there was no one of my people. Or else to defend myself, even a single person who is not in the commission, how it is possible? You see, in our Indian court also, there are many discussions went on. See, if the poor person had to get his justice, he had to have a lawyer. And when he wanted a lawyer, he has to pay a lot of money. When he did not have a money, what to do? He should keep quiet, or else he should himself defend himself. So what happens when he tries himself to speak? What happens? He never get justice, because the lawyer and those people had a lot of money and power. By that they get the justice. Here also the man was saying that there is no a person, there was no any one of the person who is in the commission. If there was no anybody in the commission, how could I get a justice from you? Now say what he says. Andre nimma group alli nannavaru obbru ilvala. No one, nobody is in your group of commission of my people. So now he says, but he was told that it was impossible, since no one from his side was well enough educated to understand the intricity of the jungle. See, it is very simple to say, you all, Makle. This is the advantage of these Europeans to do their imperialism on everywhere, on their world, entire world. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಮುಳುಗದ ನಾಡು ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರು they took advantage of every people who are literally poor in studies and education. They took it as an advantage. The man, they use European to do their colonialism everywhere. They wander every world, and ultimately they did it also. Now he is saying that the man was saying that the lion was saying that of course it is acceptable to know everything, the intent and to know everything of the law. There is no a particular person of you all who is well educated, because you people are a little backward in studies and education. You don't know what is the intent of this law and everything, and nobody knows what is the deepest meaning of the law and everything. He says, who? Lion. The commission of the people says, when they said like this, the man had to accept it. They were saying that you people have not well educated, how could you understand everything? So then it was said the man had to accept everything. That he says further that there was nothing to fear for the members of the commission. Well, were all men of the repute for their impartiality in a justice. You need not to worry. All of these people are impartial. They do a well job and they give you justice. You need not to worry. These are all the very good people who are all in this commission. No, they are good people. They are all well reputed and they are of a very good name and fame. Everything they will give you they would give you the justice. You need not to worry. Don't worry about that. When he said the man had to accept, see, it is the diplomatic idea. Diplomatic in the sense, in Kannada, ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ರಾಜತಾಂತ್ರಿಕತೆ. ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ರಾಜತಾಂತ್ರಿಕತೆ. ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಜತಾಂತ್ರಿಕತೆ, ಸಿ ಆಸ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ Africans, and these European went to Africa and they got it, and the discussion was going between these two people, man and these colonialist people, and they made a commission. In the commission there was no one of African, and they are saying all the commission of these Europeans are very reputed people, very famous people, you don't need not worry, you get a justice. How it is possible? ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋದಾದರೆ, ಬೇಲಿನೇ ದಾಟಿ ಹೊಲ ಮೇಯೋದಾದರೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಾಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್, ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಸೇಡ್, ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ದೇ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲಿ, ತಾರತಮ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ದೇ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ದ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ವೆಲ್ ರೆಪ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್. As they were gentlemen chosen by the God to look after the interest of the race, less adulterity endowed with the teeth and the claws. And I forgot to tell you, see, it's the chapter also about the racism, ಜಾತಿ ವರ್ಣಭೇದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ದ ಲಯನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವರ್ ದ ಚೂಸನ್ ಬೈ ದ ಗಾಡ್ ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್, who is able to give justice, who had been very strong and capable, able to tell you everything, you don't worry. And they are forced, and they were told, they were made with the teeth and claws of those God to give you a justice ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. he might rest assured that they would investigate the matter with the greatest care and report impartially. The God, when they made these people to give a impartial justice for the man who has lost everything and who is in now as a culprit, who stood and he is asking, not he is begging his own place of hut, which is in Africa. Now these people are telling that the God has mentioned and made some of the people, some of the ministers who are able, these are made of the God, and God has taken rest until they investigate and they give you a good justice. ಅವರೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳೋದು, ದೇವರು ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಜನರು ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೀನೇನು ತಲೆ ಕೆಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಳಕೋಬೇಡ, ನಿನ್ನ ಜಾಗ ಏನಿದೆ ನಿಂಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಜನರನ್ನು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯು ಬೆಟರ್ ವಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್. ಸಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್. ರೇಸಿಸಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದು ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ಕರಿಯರು, ರೇಸಿಸಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ವರ್ಣಭೇದ ನೀತಿ, ಜಾತಿ. The entire people who are all living in Kenya and Africa, many of the people were what? No, they are black people. But when being a black, it was the great misery of them that they did not get justice. They were exploited by the white peoples and everything. I think you might have been known in Civil War 1920 in America, how it has happened, why did it happen, So these many of the Britain people, they bought some of the thousands of the people from the South Africa. When they brought South Africa, some of the people bought for the America to do the work. They made them slavery. There is one of the story comes, Huckleberry Finn, one of the story book, you better buy it once, read it. So they bought many of the people from the Africa to do the slavery, and when the work was completed, they left many of the people in the America itself, and while going in the ship, they kicked away some people in the water. Like that, some of the people remained in America. That was the Civil War went on in America. As I told you, Abraham Lincoln and Barack Obama, these people are Negro people. Even they got a very good fame and name in America. Anyhow, so it was the going on. So these Europeans were wanted to acquire and to snatch everything, and they valuable things and to expand their nation. They expand their kingdom, imperialism everywhere. Though they were doing the friendship in the beginning with the people, and also they are gradually they were expanding their places. It was a great plan of those people who are living, who are Europeans. So here the man was anticipating that whether it is acceptable or not. But man had to accept, because man doesn't have power. The man did not have a power, because these Europeans have a lot of power. Once a word he uses that claws and teeth. These animals have, of course, a claws and teeth. Claws andre kayaliruvanta ugrugulu, dodda ugrugulu. Teeth means sharp teeth. Of course, these animal like a lion, leopard, and tiger, and this elephant tusk, it has a big danta tusk. So if these have a big teeth, by that they can chew the man very easily. In the sense, those European people can kill them very easily. These people, they can kill the man easily because he did not have power. Those Europeans had a lot of power. By that they made a commission themselves, and they were saying that the thing happens. Now let us move in the next. Now the discussion is going on. The man made some commission to discuss about this, and he keep quiet. Let us see. The commission sat to take the evidence. The respected honorable Mr. Elephant was first called. The commission was going on. Nammuralli grama panchayati ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಕಟ್ಟೆ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿ ತರ. So it was the same. How all people gathered over there. Now the person, the elephant was called. Now he comes, and he come along with a superior person who is brushing his tusk. The superior, one of the superior man, he is also elephant, who is coming with him, and he says that in a authoritative said voice, hey, listen to me. He is saying that like that. Gentlemen of the jungle, there is no need for me to waste your valuable time in relating a story which I am sure you all know. See, now he says, the elephant is saying that in authoritative voice that, my dear gentlemen of the jungle, it is a waste of a time discussing about the same topic which had been going on since yesterday and today. So I don't like to tell you more about that. I did not tell you. So you better, so in the sense, approximately he is saying that partially he was saying that you better to go somewhere else, but he did not say, but he says that it is waste of a time discussing which we all already know. So we better to do something new about this consequence, what is going on in between of us, because it was the same topic we are discussing that everybody knows it. Says that I have always regarded it as my duty to protect the interest of my friends, and this appears to have caused the misunderstanding between myself and my friends here. So now the another man who has a little power, he had come with the elephant. He is saying that it is my duty, my responsibility. Means a person, the minister of an elephant, he is defending himself. Andre, very simple. These Africa people, what I told you, Africans who is less educated, who did not have a power and the knowledge, they did not come to understand that what is going on and what the thing were doing these Europeans, they did not come to know. Now the place of this Africa is belong to these people, and these Europeans had come, they made a commission of their own people, and the discussion was going on. The one of the great ministry saying, and a great person was telling that, see, it is very boring thing, and also we are wasting of your own time, that the same topic we are not supposed to think and discuss about that, and also it is my interest and my work is to protect my people. So protect my people, and he says, and it's a small misunderstanding also had happened between us. He says, he invited me to save his hut from being blown away by the hurricane, as the hurricane had gained access owing to the unoccupied space in the hut. Now says that, so when he was in the hut, he invited him. He invited him that he says, sorry, he says that the entire hut was going on, means smashing, destroying everything by the hurricane. Hurricane means it's a thunderstorm, a big storm it was going on. So he had come over there to stop and give a control, means to help him. So he had come. During time, the entire place was covered by the hurricane, he was saying. Okay, na? As a hurricane, okay, I consider it necessary in my friend's own interest to turn the undeveloped place to a more economic use by sitting in it myself. So whatever the destroyed place of the hut, in the sense, in the Africa where there were these African people were living, when the European had come over there, and whatever the place is in the Africa now, they are telling that this European, you better to go somewhere else, you just give this place to do the marketing. It's a way we can develop our economic system there, and also we can sit in it. Means ಅವರು ಪರೋಕ್ಷವಾಗಿ ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿರುವುದೇನು ಅಂದರೆ, ಆ ಅಳಿದು ಉಳಿದಿರುವಂತಹ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ. So what is the remaining place of those hut? No, anyhow it has been destroyed by the hurricane. So let us to be there. Let us to be there, and we, for our economic purpose, we do it, and also we develop ourselves. Saying a duty which any of you would undoubtedly have performed with equally readiness in a similar circumstance. See, now what I said, no, out of you, any of the people you could have done anybody else, but you did not do. But when it comes to my part, it is my thing, it is my part of the work is to be save everybody of my friends. So he is saying that you get somewhere in the place, somewhere you make a hut. He says in a further lines, but actually the story, it is the thing, it was going on. So now only the man had to wait until what happens. I shall tell you in the next class. One thing, you better write a small prose, essay related to this colonialism, and how the Europeans were exploiting those people and to Africa. So write a short story of this. Okay, thank you.